What's up, guys? This is jusyfx once again. Today is 27th of January 2025, and I currently have two different positions running on AUR GBP. I think I should be up about $500 or thereabout, but I want to give you guys a quick breakdown, the thought process, and how I was able to catch this trade, regardless of whether it hits TP or SL. So stick around. Please subscribe, like this video, drop a comment if you want me to make any other video, and yeah, see you on the other side.
Okay guys, so the outcome of the trade really doesn't matter. Like I said earlier, I also said that you don't change your system just because you have a few negative trades or you have a few loss. Okay, the process is still the same, the system is still the same, the step-by-step guide is still the same. Okay, so I'm currently holding this trade. I have two different positions running, although the second position is not really that interesting to me, but it is what it is. Okay, so I want to walk you guys through the thought process and how I was able to catch this trade. I won't be cleaning up the charts. I'll just okay, let's clean up the charts. I'll clean it up and start all over again. Okay, all right. Okay, so I have cleaned everything up right now. I want to take you to the daily time frame. Remember, before you take a trade, you're looking at the daily narrative or what price is saying. So I dropped it for my community guys yesterday, Sunday 26th, and I said that I was expecting price to drop. Why was I expecting price to drop? I was expecting price to drop just because I was expecting price to hit these sell side liquidities right here. Remember, in the first video I said you're looking at your draw on liquidity. That's the first thing you're asking yourself. Where do you think price is expanding to? Are we expanding higher or we're expanding lower? Okay, in this case I'm expecting price to trade all the way down. Why? Because we have buy side, sell side liquidities rather resting below, and we also have fair value gaps at the discount price of this swing. So if you use your Fibonacci retracement, for those that understand what it means, you mark from this low to this high, you have the discount pricing right there, and you have a fair value gap there. So I'm expecting price to trade all the way down. That's one. The second reason is because price traded above previous highs. Okay, I took a trade on Monday, or last week Friday rather, that was on the 25th, and I sold all the way from here. Okay, I'm still holding that bias and I'm still holding that narrative. So I expect price to still drop, because you can see the volume after we took out that previous high. That was Thursday's high, I think 23rd or so, if I'm not mistaken. So price traded above it and closed back into the range. Ideally, I'll be expecting price to shoot lower or to drop lower into the sell side liquidity. So even if there's going to be a continuation of bullish moves, so I'll be expecting price to trade lower, take out sell side liquidities, or I'll be looking at buying from the discount price of this swing. Okay, so because of that, hold on, let me clean this up from my chart. All right, so because of that, I was coming into the week with a sell narrative and a sell intention. Okay, the process is still the same, the idea is still the same, so just follow me guys. That's all I want to do on the daily time frame. I just want to see where price is expanding to, either higher or lower, and we've established that price is coming down. That's all I need to do. The next thing is to jump to the lower time frame and wait for timing to do its thing. Okay, remember the ICT kill zone, London open kill zone. If you are going to be following my channel, I'll be trading more of the London sessions. I trade more of London sessions. All right, so I'm going to be trading more of the ICT London open kill zone. Okay, so yeah, because I trade London session, I'll be expecting London manipulations above previous highs, and then I'll let time do its thing. Okay, in this case I already said on the daily time frame that I want price to drop lower into sell side liquidities and the fair value gap that we have resting here. Okay, all I have to do is to wait for price to run above previous highs or into a major price delivery level or PDRA, and then I look to trade from there. And when I jumped on the charts this morning, I saw that price traded all the way up. Very simple. If you understand accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, that's simply power of 3. Okay, so you have accumulation, you have manipulation above previous highs, and then you have distribution. It's a very simple concept. I'll make another video or dedicated video on that. Okay, so looking at this chart, we have simple accumulation right here. Okay, and then although price traded lower first, but I won't be looking at buying because it's not in the ICTQ zone. Okay, this run below these levels did not happen inside the ICTQ zone. Okay, if you don't know what ICTQ zones are, I will make another video. So we have lots of videos to make. Okay, so price traded above previous highs. That's the first thing I want to see, and the manipulation happened just after 7 a.m. London time, and after price traded above those highs, it traded into a 1 hour fair value gap. So if I open the 1 hour time frame, you'll see price coming from these fair value gaps. Okay, so price already gave me all I want to see on the intermediate time frame or the medium time frame. All I have to do now is to wait for my entry, then follow the analysis or the narrative from the daily time frame. Remember, the daily is saying I want to sell, and if I'm going to sell, I want to see intermediate time frame, lower time frame, and higher time frame in alignment. Okay, and because I need to see all those things or all those time frames in alignment, all I have to do is jump down to 5 minutes time frame and see if I can get an entry from there. Okay, now this is 5 minutes time frame, and you can see price traded above previous highs here, and my initial entry was supposed to be this level. Okay, I was supposed to sell from there using that change in state of delivery, protecting these highs and targeting the next low, but price did not do that. Price left me and came all the way down, but then I just jumped to 15 minutes and then waited for price to come back to the 15 minutes change in state of delivery, which is these levels, right? This level rather, right there, and I placed my position protecting the highs and targeting the sell side liquidity. Okay, so it's still the same concept, it's still the same rule. The rule is simply identify daily narrative, daily direction, then make sure your intermediate time frame and your lower time frames are in alignment, and then you want to sell. Subsequent videos, I'll make videos on time and price, proper time and price. Okay, if you're trading power of 3, which is accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, you're expecting the manipulation to happen at a particular time. Okay, so you are looking at price. If you're selling, for example, you're looking at price trading above the market opening price and the New York opening price. That's an advanced video which I'm going to make in subsequent videos. All right, so this particular entry is where I'm actually trading from right now. The outcome of the trade really doesn't matter. I'm going to show you guys when the trade actually runs to TP or SL. Okay, so either ways, I will be watching price to see if I get a good profit today. I should be up around $300 right now. I don't know, but yeah, it should be around $300 or thereabouts. Yeah, with the little retracement I have now, I should be in little drawdown on my first position, and my second position should be in profits. Okay, you can see it right there. So yeah, I'll be updating you guys on how the trade is running, and let's see what price will give to me today. Okay, remember the step-by-step guide. What is this? What is the daily time frame saying? What's the narrative on the daily time frame? The lower time frame is in alignment with the daily time frame. Your intermediate or medium time frame is in alignment with the daily time frame. And what is your entry? Your entry is simply change in state of delivery, fair value gaps, breaker blocks. I'll make videos on that later on. All right, see you guys on the other side, either TP or SL. So I'm actually very close to TP right now. I'm just a few pips away from TP, but I think I want to close the trade manually because time is actually not on my side. Time is very important when it comes to trading. We're already close to end of London session. Okay, and I don't think I want to hold this trade till the next day. I think I'm up about 3k right now, and I think that's okay for me. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, That's about 3,200, and I think I'm okay with that. So it took me lots of patience to actually wait for this trade to run down till TP, although we're not at TP yet, but I'm okay with the profit. Okay, EUR GBP requires lots of patience if you really want to trade it and be successful with trading EUR GBP. So I want you guys to stick around. I'm going to be giving you more simple and very precise and simplified trade recaps, trade analysis, and trade ideas. Okay, so please, I need you to subscribe, I need you to share this video, drop a comment. If you have a request for any video, drop it, turn your post notification bell so you don't miss any of my exclusive and simplified content. All right, so see you guys on the next one.
So one of the things that I actually learned from my trading today is to always have confidence in your trading strategy. It's very, very important, guys. Trust your trading system. And I always say that one of the ways to trust and build confidence in your trading system is by having enough data backing your system up, enough data showing that your system actually really works. Okay, enough back tested data for tested data. You need enough data, guys, to show that your system really works. When you have confidence in your system, you will be patient enough to wait for your setup to play out. And when your setup doesn't occur, you are not in a rush to pick a trade. You are waiting for the right time to strike. So guys, always have confidence in your data, and always make sure you study and build enough data system. See you guys in the next video. Peace out. Remember to always keep it simple.